shit works. Demonology. Demons out, rolling solo, dolo out on 2 feet. With them already prepared AK-47 hearts. They turn that pain to a rage. Warcade, raising up a crusade. Learn to thrive all alone. Every single hour, no one knows. All them scars, all them betrayals. No more lies when God comes inside of this life. In every way that people pray, every way, every faith. Have faith in the things that you take to God in that kind of way. Have faith in your heart's work. Do them heart's works, or them heart's hearts. Them hearts don't shark. Don't strip yourself of that reality, man. God's there.